Well, if you got a Tundra and you paid all the extra money to have the TRD Sport package or the TRD Off-Road package or the TRD Pro package, I want to show you a quick little mod you can do so you don't have to be reminded all the time that your truck's not an SR5. So in these Toyota Tundras, and this is a stupid little thing, but in these Toyota Tundras, they put only a TRD Pro emblem on the TRD Pros, which is cool, but they left out everybody else that spent all the extra money on TRD and gave them an SR5 badge. So what I'm going to do is show you a quick little way to dress up your console. And let me grab my little screwdriver. So here is your SR5 badge. These come off by pressing in on this side and then inward like this, gently. And then doing the same thing on this side, gently. And the SR5 comes out. And show you this little thing. First, you want to do a little alcohol cleanup. And my truck's getting a pro badge, because why not? Because I'm a pro. These are from TRD BEAST, and I will give the link down in the description below. But check out that badge. That looks cool. He didn't have a TRD Sport badge, but I'm sure he could custom make one. That's actually what this truck is, but I thought this looked cool. I got the cool seat covers from FH Group that kind of look like a TRD interior, and this little badge is going to go in, and it'll match my seat covers. So it's just a peel and stick application. These come shipped for, I believe, $13 in the US. And they're really nice quality, and it's metal, which is nice. So this is just going to lay in here. Be creative here with my camera work. Like that. Center it up. It looks pretty good. And then press down in the center. And then outward. And now I got a pro badge. So if you guys are in the market, no, I wasn't paid by them. I just bought it. I found them online. I bought it, and I thought this would be a cool video to make. TRD Beast. He has a ton of different ones. You can check him out. He does quality work. This looks really good, and I think it makes a nice little compliment on the interior here. So at least I can be reminded that it's at least a TRD. So thanks for watching, guys. Remember to thumbs up. Please subscribe, and I'll get you in the next video.